we expect a rise in the import in time to come, and for export rather than we need to how to have our strategic response to the rise of the milk imports. Now if you see, we are gradually opening up the Indian markets for import. Now if you have seen the entry of the MNCs, the competition is more rising in the high value added segments. You go to the market, you find dozen varieties of milk. Forget about the milk, there are dozen varieties of dahi. Forget about dahi, they say yogurt, and then say biotic and probiotic, and 30 million tons of milk is lost because of the diseases. And this 30 million ton of milk makes a significant difference in importing and exporting of milk. So the competition remains in the value-added segment in the not only on the international, even in the domestic market. And what I personally feel is import of milk powder and butter oil is likely to be inevitable in short term, unless the government makes a perfect plan for increasing productivity, increasing production, to keep pace with. But now this has likely to give significant challenges to the industry. Most of you are working with cooperatives. Now, will cooperatives survive the onslaught of the foreign, both the foreign products which are being imported and the foreign investment by the multinationals? Now, I think a professor like me should not talk in or, for or against multinationals, but something which has, which is extremely great contribution to the cooperatives is, the farmer is getting 70 to 80% of the price which the customer pays, and it is extremely significant for us. The livelihood of the 70% people in this country is dependent on agriculture or dairy farming. Now, the social cause come. Do you want the 70% of the people in this country, starve? In case you do not, we need to make every effort to keep these cooperatives alive, cooperatives competitive.